Are you looking to create a well-organized menu structure for your WordPress website? Drop-down menus is the best way to provide easy access to every section of your website without cluttering the menu bar. By adding a drop-down menu, you can replace the horizontal menu bar, which allows you to add as many pages and posts as you would like into the drop-down menu, making the user experience much more enjoyable and functional. My name is Daniel from Envato Tuts Plus, and in this tutorial, I'll go over 2 ways that you can transform any standard WordPress menu into a drop-down menu. The first method is by creating drop-down menus in WordPress's Appearance section, and the second method is by creating one using WordPress's Live Preview and Customizer feature. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to confidently create a well-structured drop-down menu that ensures easy navigation for all of your website's users without cluttering the menu bar. If you are in need of a drop-down menu that offers you more than the standard WordPress functionality, then CodeCanyon is the #1 marketplace for you to find the highest quality drop-down menu WordPress plugins. These plugins can help you create feature-rich drop-down menus that have more complex functionality. CodeCanyon has a huge library of the best WordPress drop-down menu plugins ever created. With a one-time payment, you can purchase these high-quality WordPress drop-down menu plugins and add them to your site quickly and easily. Not only can you get these menu plugins from CodeCanyon, but you can also find a massive library of over 7,000 other premium WordPress plugins that are sure to take your site to the next level. You can add drop-down functionality to any WordPress menu. First, we will go ahead and build our menu from the Appearance section of the WordPress dashboard. So we'll head on over to Appearance, and then Menus. So this will bring us to our menu editor, where we can type in our menu name. Then we'll go ahead and click the Create Menu button. And now our menu is created. This menu name won't appear anywhere on the website. It is just for your reference. If we then have a look at the Add Menu Items section, you will see that these are all the items that you can add to your menu. We can add pages, posts, custom links, categories, formats, and custom calendars. When you find an item that you want to add to your menu, select the checkbox next to it. In our example, we have an online store where we're selling shirts and shoes. So we'll want our menu to reflect these options that we have in our shop. Then when you have all the items that you want from a particular section, click the Add to Menu option. We have now created a standard menu, and all our menu items appear on the right-hand side here. Now it's time to add the drop-down functionality. To turn a menu into a drop-down menu, we will use the drag and drop method to create parent and child items. The parent item will be the main menu header, and the child items will fall below a specific parent item. So let's now organize our standard menu into a drop-down menu. You can separate your menu items into parents and children in the menu structure area. So we'll put our 2 main categories or parent items at the top. Go ahead and drag them up, the shirts on top, and the shoes. And to add a child category and create our drop-down menu, we will drag our child item and then move it under our parent item and move it slightly to the right. And we'll see that there's an indent created by the dotted outline, and we'll release the mouse. And this is now a sub item or child category. And we'll do this for the rest of our menu. Again, where the shirts and the shoes are our parent categories, and the rest of the categories are the child categories. And if you want, you can take the drop-down menu even further by creating even more child categories. So if you wanted a 3rd level depth, you can go ahead and drag and drop to the right again. And you can see that this dress shoes is now under sneakers, and the dress shoes is at the 3rd level depth. When you have made all the changes that you want to the menu, we'll then want to add it to our website. So we'll go down to the menu settings, display location, and click top menu, and then click save menu. And now we'll take a look at our menu on our website, and we can see the shirts and the shoes show up as the top menu. And if we hover over shirts, we'll see our drop-down menu with our 3 items, and then shoes, we'll see our other 3 items. The other method for adding a drop-down menu to your site is by using the theme customizer. Again, choose Appearance, Menus, and then click the Manage with Live Preview button. And this will take you to the theme customizer. Next, click on the Create New Menu, and then we'll give it a name. Call it Shop Menu again. And we'll go ahead and choose the location as, again, top menu, and click Next. From here, we can click Add Items and select every item that you want to display as part of your menu. We'll go ahead and add the pages again. And on the left-hand side, this creates our standard WordPress menu. To create the drop-down functionality, we will go ahead and drag and drop the child items under the parent items like we did previously. So we'll move the shirts up to the top. It's the parent category, as well as shoes. Go ahead and move it on over and then indent it. So this is now the child category, and do this for the rest of our items. And if we go ahead and look over on the right-hand side, we can see that these changes have been reflected. You can see the shirts and the shoes, and they contain our child categories. So if you want a more visual approach when you're making your menu, then using the customizer to create your drop-down menus is ideal. So now this menu is ready to go, and we can go ahead and click the Publish button. And again, we'll go back onto our live site and see that the menu is now present. So in this tutorial, I showed you two methods for how to create a drop-down menu for your website and how to place them on your site. By opting for drop-down menus, you can ensure your website is easy to navigate without cluttering the menu bar. Thank you so much for checking out this video, everyone. If you like this little tutorial and would like to see more, be sure to subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. If you're looking to learn even more, why not check out some of the other excellent tutorials that Envato Tuts Plus has to offer. I'm Daniel, and I'll see you in the next video.